We had asked many questions about communication, about acquiring wealth, about stage fright, public speaking, in and out personality grooming, business, money, investments. Um, and this reminds me of one quote by Charlie Munger: no life can be called successful life until it ends well. So, success is a journey, and we have to be successful in many things, not in just money, not in just communication and stage fright, in life as well, in professional and personal life, in terms of health as well. We have to be successful. So, no life can be called successful life until it ends well. So, how to live a successful life till the end? I believe we have to realize the importance of the skill of judgment. Basically, my arm is paining. We played cricket this morning. I'm sorry for this hindrance. My arm is paining. Uh, I bowled this morning after a long time, and I used to be a fast bowler. Now it's paining like hell. I'll have to give my arm support. Okay, so we were talking about skill of judgment. This is very important but very underrated skill at the same time. Many people don't realize the importance of the skill. People like Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, if they go broke today, still many will be ready to give them billions of dollars. Why? Because they know these guys like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, they have got better judgment. They have got the skill of judgment. So whatever we are, whatever you are, whether you're successful or not that successful, whether you're rich or poor, whether your communication skills are good or not that good, whether you've got stage fright or you're turning into a better public speaker, all these things are happening just because of the skill of judgment. Perhaps somewhere down the line you took decisions in the heat of passion, and now you are regretting. Or somewhere down the line you took your time while taking decision, you used contrarian approach, you were an optimist and you were pessimist, you were seeing the positive and negative side while taking decision, or you were using your intellect and experience. You also realize that we humans, we are the slaves of instant gratification, and many people they take decision without realizing that we are the slaves of instant gratification, and we take decision in hurry, we take decision in the heat of passion. So if you have taken decisions in the heat of passion, you might have to regret, or perhaps you are regretting. You want to improve your life, you want to improve your health, you want to improve your wealth, your communication. If you're getting the chance to improve your public speaking, to improve your communication skills, to enhance your personality, do not hold yourself back. Even if you're nervous, even if you're feeling that anxiety, do not hold yourself back, because this decision of holding yourself back will hurt you in the future. As I have been saying, skill of judgment is the most important skill. If you do not know how to improve it, okay, let me chunk it down. Use contrarian approach, be positive and negative at the same very moment. Use your experience. Realize that whatever the decisions you are going to take today will haunt you or will might give you fruitful result. So realize this. So do not take decision in the heat of passion. Also realize that getting into relationship, right kind of relationship, is really important. I know so many people tell us their stories. Okay, their life has got spoiled because they took decision in the heat of passion, relationship decisions, or their partner is not that good. So do not take decision in the heat of passion. Realize the importance of the skill, and also realize that we humans love instant gratification. So somewhere you have to delay this instant gratification. You have to realize that we humans are procrastinators, natural procrastinators. And you also have to realize that if you want to live happy, healthy and wealthy life, you need to improve the skill of judgment. And stay tuned to our channel, Pep Talk India, because we'll keep coming up with more and more and more and more informational and knowledgeable videos. The only purpose is to help you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and keep asking us different questions. You want to improve your life? Improve the skill of judgment. Good luck. Until the next time.